Hi and welcome back to Sport on Works. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace windshield wiper blades in 2017 Ford Focus. This is gonna apply to various Ford vehicles and many years. I'm gonna start on passenger side and I'm gonna pull this wiper arm all the way up. Now, if you check on the side, you have those tabs you can push in. And now you will have to push those in and then just lift up this wiper blade. Alright, I'm gonna pinch those in and just push it up. And now the old wiper blade is removed. And now you can see how this wiper arm looks like. Before installing your new wiper blade, you want to make sure you have one with the proper connector. So for this type of wiper arm you need a connector that looks like that, so you can slide it in. You're gonna have to put it underneath. You want to pay attention to these little notches. They need to be behind those hooks. And now when you have it aligned like that, you want to open this cap a little bit and then you just want to press it in. And now when it's pressed in, you just want to close this top cap. So just slide it down. And that's about it. So see, pay attention to this part and then close the top cap by sliding it down. This size for those wiper blades is 28 inch and this is the size for both passenger and driver side. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you, bye.